Now this is the essence of femininity. Chanel No. 5. Hi everyone, I have a special guest today and her name is Chanel. It's the Chanel No. 5, the bath soap. This is her. It's a pink perfume soap bar. It may be showing a little bit cream, but it's pink. Oval shaped. 5.3 ounces, 150 grams, $37 Canadian, $26 US. And she's at Holt Renfrew, on the Chanel website, and at Nordstrom. So this is her. This is the Chanel. If you currently have, or if you've used the Chanel No. 5 perfume, it smells exactly like it, but just, you know, not as potent as a real cologne or perfume. It's a little bit softer, but you can definitely smell the fragrance. It's definitely a perfume soap. Sorry, a perfume soap. So about the soap, it's from the original Chanel No. 5, Now and Forever women's fragrance. Long-lasting, hard-milled. Leaves the skin lightly scented. Creamy, soft texture. Provides gentle cleansing. Super rich lather. Leaves your skin feeling soft, comfortable, and refreshed. Also has vitamin E in it. So they say even though this is a fragrance soap, it's gentle enough for the most delicate skin. The fragrance does have an 18-month shelf life. It does say it on the back here. I know it's not Zoom, but I'll include some text for you. It does include an 18-month shelf life, so that doesn't mean that the soap is going to expire in 18 months. It means the fragrance will fade gradually after 18 months. This is still a quality soap, so this can last you up to like 10 years if you're not going to use it. Probably like me. I've never used this soap before, but I'm definitely keeping it for my collection. A Chanel soap that I have used before is this. And this is the Coco Mademoiselle. I use this soap every summer. But you'll see about this in another video. So they have two other soaps, that Coco Mademoiselle Fresh Bath Soap, and they have Sublimage. It's like a radiance revealing, rich type of facial cleansing soap. I won't buy it. It's $138 and it's smaller than this. It's 4 ounces. This is 5.3. All right, and here's the soap. Here's the Chanel No. 5, the bath soap. I'm not going to demonstrate her today because she's actually the only one. I don't have any more of this. And they're sold out everywhere else. So, and plus I heard through the grapevine that they might be on its last wave. So if you can find it, get it. Definitely worth it to have in your collection, like me. See you on the next one. Bye.